Hello, future doctors. Do you want to study human anatomy but don't know where to start from or what are the basics which one must know? So, let's get it quickly in an easy way for long term memory. So, for this, we'll first discuss about the bones in an adult human skeleton. Maybe you know the answer before along with the names of all the bones, but my dear doctors, revision is a must. So, let's get started. So we have to study two types of skeletal system. One is axial skeleton, which is marked with the green color, and the other is appendicular skeleton, which is marked with the blue color. You can also seek help from this diagram, which beautifully represents all the human bones. And now coming upon my notes, so I have made them during my NEET preparation. Adult human skeleton consists of 206 bones, which is divided into axial skeleton, which comprises 80 bones, and appendicular skeleton, which comprises 126 bones. The axial skeleton consists of skull, auditory ossicles, ribs, vertebral column, sternum, and hyoid bone. Skull contains cranial bones and facial bone. Cranial bones are 8: frontal, temporal, parietal, occipital, ethmoid, and sphenoid, whereas the facial bones are 14 in number, which includes nasal bones, inferior nasal concave, lacrimal bones, zygomatic bone, which is known as the cheekbone, the palatine, maxilla, mandible, and the vomer. Auditory ossicles are three in an ear, which we call as MIS. MIS stands for malleus, incus, and stapes. Ribs are 12 in pairs, which is a total 24. The first 7 ribs are true ribs, the next 3 are false ribs, and the rest of the 2 ribs are floating ribs. The vertebral column consists of cervical vertebra, thoracic, lumbar, sacral, and coxal vertebra. Cervical are 7, thoracic are 12, lumbar are 5, sacral is 1, and coxal is 1. Sternum is a single bone, hyoid is a U-shaped bone. Now coming upon the appendicular skeleton consists of 2 parts, which includes limbs and girdle. Limbs are the upper limb and lower limb, which we also call as extremities, our hands and legs, and girdles are the connection which joins axial skeleton to the appendicular skeleton. The girdle includes pectoral girdle, which includes 2 bones of one side, which are scapula and clavicle, and the pelvic girdle includes 2 bones, which are coxal bones. Now the upper limb contains humerus, radius, ulna, carpals, metacarpals, phalanges, and the lower limb contains femur, tibia, fibula, tarsals, metatarsals, phalanges, and the patella bone, which is the kneecap. So this is the basic which everyone must know before studying human anatomy. So I hope you find this video helpful, and if you liked it, do like, share and subscribe if you want more such videos. Thank you.